Well, hello there, YouTube, and welcome to Easter Sunday. Today's Sunday the 21st, and finally, after all day, and it's like 12, maybe quarter after 4 p.m., temperature finally made it to 56 and the sun came out. This is the first time we've seen the sun all day, and boy, is she out. Saw she and Annie relaxing. I was out here a little bit ago kicking around in the grass to see if it was dry enough I could attempt to mow it. Nope, she's soaking wet underneath. Despite I hear all the people all around me mowing their lawns. But anyway, I'm going to take a break from BRP stuff. I've about had it. And I'm going to take the 48 for a little rip. I don't think I've given that any love here lately. So just going to do something close to clear my head. So come on along for the ride. And again, happy Easter. Alright, so this is going to be test number 2 for the new Shoei RF 1200 and the new vlogging setup. This is with the Hero 6 today. Not that you'll notice much difference other than not as good not as good image stabilization. Part of the reason I wanted to take the iron today too is I do get quite a bit of helmet noise from the turbulence off of that little fly screen. I thought it'd be cool to test out how that works. For some reason I get more wind noise through the right side than I do the left side. I actually hear a little wind noise on the right. Wow, I can't believe it actually turned out to be dry out here. I thought it was going to be wet all day. Okay, I found where the wind's coming in. Behind the, if I put my hand over the Sena tube, where it's mounted, where it's slipped in and mounted to the helmet, there's an air leak right there. Yep, it goes away as soon as I put my hand over it, so I'll investigate that and see maybe some of the padding pulled out or something. You guys can probably hear that. I mean, it's very prominent. I notice it. See, I put my hand over it, it's gone. There, gone. So it's something to do with that Sena mount, the Sena tube mount. This was all trees through here. I think there's dogs at the top of this thing. It's been a while since I've been all the way out this way. What a shame, man. The way people are cutting trees down around here. It's literally, oh, look at here, it's a brand new house. We'll do a little off-roading on the 48. Ooh, fresh gravel. And a big old pick-em-up truck coming on through. Just don't put me in the mud, thank you, sir. He waved, I guess that's good. Anyway, I'm not going any further down here. I keep going and it's going to end up being somebody's, you know, it'll end at somebody's house and then the dogs will come out. Good Lord, there's roads everywhere out here. Come down here with the DR and do some deeper exploring. I can get out of the way a lot quicker. Plus, with the DR, you don't even know these potholes and craters are even out here. Hope that's not soupy mud and it's flinging it on the bike. That would be a shame. Oh, that's beautiful down there. Wow, that was really cool. I don't know what the name of that little creek is. It's all the birds out there chirping. Was that last weekend? I come back and Kelly goes, how's the roads out there? Are they still slippery with gravel? And I said, they're getting, in fact, I think I even commented in the video, they're getting a whole lot better. I said, why are you asking that? You afraid I'm going to crash? She goes, no. I was just thinking about the 48. I haven't ridden it since last year. Her problem now is it's been so long since she rode it, she feels like she needs to like relearn again. you know as well as I do, as soon as you get out there and get rolling, it all comes back to you like right away. But the gravel was so bad this year that yeah, I wouldn't want her out there. This doesn't have ABS, so you know, one touch too much, front or rear, and it could get ugly. And oddly enough, she is not afraid of hurting herself. She's afraid of hurting the bike. Is that funny? I love that little woman. Coming up to old Dobie's house here. It's a nice day. They're probably out. Oh, there he goes too. There he is. That's old Red too. Yeah, buddy. Boy, these old 1200s sure do run nice. This area down here, every time I look down this road, it just has a road. You're just expecting, you know, an elk, deer, bear, something to go walking across. We got oh, somebody turning around. Ooh, they turned around and got themselves all but stuck. Just all locked off. Oh, that's cool. They made it out of railroad tracks. That ought to be sturdy enough, huh? Sure loving this transition lens. I wish I'd have gave it the benefit of the doubt of not putting that pin lock in at first, because now I really love it. That pin lock sucked. Man, I sure hope you're not getting sun glare through here, because this is beautiful out here. Man. Horses are roaming, or a horse roaming in the field. I see other ones that are under a tree over there. And you gotta love the spring. Holy moly. Let's see what our old cliff looks like today. How does she look on Easter? So, whoa, that's very green. On Easter Sunday. I'm so happy it turned out to be nice today. Absolutely wonderful. Go away, buzzard. I'm not ready yet. Little creek running through there. Look at that. Just silent out here. Just me breathing. Well, hello there, 48. You're looking awfully nice as well. You and your big sister at a street glide. Such a fun motorcycle. It runs so good, completely stock. It just runs like a top. The only bummer about them being stock is you hear all the clickety-clackety of the motor, but if you've been around Sportsters, you know they all do it. It's just characteristic of the bike. Doesn't bother me. Just you get people going, I hear the valves on. You're not around Harleys, are you? Or Sportsters anyway. It's alright. They ain't hurting a thing. She'll do it forever. For listening, you hear it go clickety clack. That's just a Sportster running, but it's making noise. That's because it's running. Go away now, little boy. Wow. Can't get over how beautiful it turned out. That's a long ways down to them fields. What the elevation difference is. You can just see how rough. Whoa! I was about to say, you can see how rough this road is. The old suspension test road. Love coming down this hill. It's so cool looking. Yeah, buddy. The gravel starts going through your fender. Oh, look at that! Somebody crashed. Check that out. They come around that corner and met Mr. Gravel. You knucklehead. Nobody got hurt. What are you doing hauling butt through here anyway? But that was a heck of a surprise. Look at them birds everywhere. That's wonderful. And birds flying around. I was out there early this morning. Kelly was out tending the mules, and oh man, they were everywhere. It was so wonderful. Watch the gravel on this one. Oh, it ain't, oh yeah, I was about to say it's not bad on this side of the road. Yeah, she's starting to fill in nice up here. Oh yeah. The tunnel of love will return in no time. There's a big hole here somewhere. Oh, I was already past it. Looking up at them trees. Oof, oof. Oh man. You gotta take you past the beautiful barns. That shield has more of a turbulence around it. It's not a touring shield or anything. It's like riding with no shield, but at like freeway speeds, it just takes all that pressure off your torso. You still get wind in the face, and you have that feeling like you're riding without a shield, but it doesn't try to drag you off the back of the bike. These things just have like no mass in front of them. You know, my favorite thing is like riding a Stingray bicycle down the road at 70 miles an hour. That could not be a truer statement. So how's the old Serengeti today? Yeah, buddy. That old barn sitting out there looking nice and proud. The Serengeti's very green today. Man, they're going through that cedar. You could... It's so concentrated, it's unbelievable. It's almost like put you in a trance. Wow. How can it be that concentrated? That's crazy. Sometimes you go by there, you smell nothing, so you get them big, them real concentrated ones. You're just like, like breathe it in. You wish it could last longer. I've been saying this for years, but I gotta go up there and ask them for a big old chunk of wood and lob some of it off and mail it off to you guys or something. I've been talking about that for how many years now? Way too long. Well, I'll proceed on down the highway and head for the old hacienda. Thanks for coming along for a rip on the old 48. What a lovely, absolutely lovely motorcycle. Too much fun. Yeah, buddy, that's something special. Hi, everybody. Old Danny says I'm gonna lay myself in the deep grass. Well, hello there, YouTube. Welcome to a beautiful, beautiful evening.
Oh, it is.
I can't believe that it was so... I mean, I thought it was going to rain until, what, 4 something today. Then
Yeah,
finally...
it was just all cloudy.
Yeah. I'd say I was just going to go for a ride in the clouds, and all of a sudden, the day just turned beautiful. It was supposed to be gorgeous all day today. Now there's hardly a cloud in the sky.
I'm not, because it's going to be nighttime soon. That's
yeah.
why.
It's supposed to rain tomorrow for sure, but
yeah.
I think it's getting nicer as the week goes on. I'm not sure.
I think so. I think there's a couple of days during the week that's supposed to be nice.
Yeah.
It's a raining, nice day week.
Yeah. Well, then mix, it's that springtime thing around here.
Oh yeah.
But it is still April, you know. You know the old saying, April flowers brings May flowers? No, not around here.
No.
April showers just brings May and June
showers.
Yeah.
And July
flowers don't come till, but no, it hasn't been that bad.
Yeah, it used to be that way.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, very much so.
The globe is changing. It's in our favor up here. Winters are milder and summers are longer.
Yeah.
But hotter and more forest fires. So there's a flip side to everything, it seems like. Anyway, we're going to make it a quick goodbye because I spent way too much time riding her little 48 around, having myself a good old time while she's all kicked back, relaxed. She's got some string of movies she's watching today.
I know.
That and goofing around with other things, but
oh yeah, I got a fiddle.
Yeah, she definitely enjoys and relaxes.
Yes.
All right.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. We will talk to you tomorrow. Same smoke time, same smoke channel. Don't forget to give her a thumbs up, and you guys have a wonderful Monday or Tuesday.
Heck yeah. And thanks for coming along for a little rip on the 48.
Yes.
That was a lot of fun. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
You guys take care.
All right. Bye-bye now.